Hi, Vega. Going to speak again, and we got to learn a lot. Om Saraswati Namastubhyam Bharate Vishyami Siddhit Bhautam Ishara. Please God, please help me to learn a lot. Thank you. So the key feature or advantages of audit digitally. What are the key features and advantages for audit digitally? First, we can save time. Second thing is we can do something very faster than we think. Example, you want to do a work in 10 days, it can be done in a single day. Large number of files can be accessed, lot number of error can be found, and any problem we found across, we can record it fastly. We can create a report faster than anyone and reduce errors. Whenever we do the work, we can reduce error. Checking can be done easily. Cost is reduced. These are things are very helpful for us doing this kind of audit digitally. Economically effective, economically feasible. Remotely we can do that. We don't need to go to we can work remotely. Physical verification is very much less. So as we are doing system offering rather than physically doing the work, it's more helpful for us. So improve the quality, decrease human dependency, increase transparency, easy automation, and easy efficiency. So as I say, as 5 points we have here, that is quality increased, then efficiency. How increase efficiency, increase transparency, decrease human transparency. Why is if transparency increase and decrease human dependency is reduced, and automation and easy. So these are the 5 points. So we will go an explanation. Improved quality of audit. Impact of the quality is evidence. Through automation, data analysis techniques, we can easily move from a sample audit to full population transaction being reviewed and reperformed. And ultimately free up time and audit teams to analyze the information and better understanding of the business they audit. Technology requires an element of upfront investment. It can be challenging to implement with regard to resources and people, but the value once it is up and running is undeniable. Yeah, true. Automation may cost you a lot of money. So, where I said investment, upfront investment is required in this too. But the upfront investment will help you to get something undeniably and efficient. Previously, what we had done, we had done sampling auditing. Now we are moved from sampling audit to full population audit. We are not seeing on one transaction, two transactions. We are taking all the transactions, and through automation we can do everything completely, no sampling. So that's where we have improved our quality. Decreasing human dependency. Using technology, minimizing the manual intervention, which is ultimately result in reducing the risk of manual errors. And technology helps in streamlining the process of testing for auditors, which decrease the error which occurs from the judgment of different individual. Previously, a work has been allocated and the work is being allocated to many people. Many people have a different ideology while doing the audit. Now, a single rule has been programmed. That program is installed in a system, and the transaction is going through the system. Every single person is seeing all the things. That single person is a computer. It's totally automated, and such a way human intervention is reduced and error also reduced. Because we don't have many people. Have one people, one ideology, one rule. Increased transparency with the technology, advanced transparency has been increased. New ERP2 has an audit trail feature available to trace a transaction end to end. It helps the management or auditors to review the details like the date on which any changes are being made, who made the change, what has been changed. All of the details are captured and can be used while performing audit. Increased transparency. What is the transparency we require? You are seeing on transaction. We want to know what we have in transaction. We need the audit trail. That is from the starting to end. What happened? Who had made the entries? And if that any entries has been changed, who changed it? When it been changed? Who authorized the change? Is there any authorization required or not? What are the powers vested in the person to make the changes? These all transactions, all things we are able to know in a single shot through this automated AI model or AI tool or testing tools, ERP tools that is helpful for us. Automation easy. And the automation task will record workers' response as a repositors, repositors, and extracting data and sampling have improved the quality of the audit and reduce the manual error. Using the dashboard like Power BI for reporting helps in understanding the position, helps the auditor to form an opinion. So the automatic task like recording the workers repositors, repositors. What is the meaning of this repositors? Repositors means place where the receptacle which things may be stored. Natural resources. It's kind of a storage. So automation task helps recording work in repositories. Repositories is doing in a hard disk something, extracting the data from the hard disk and sample having improved the quality of audit. So we have a sample which have increased through that sampling, we have increased the quality and reduce the manual. So how can we have reduced the Power BI and all the stuff and pushing them and we are proposing a report for them. That's the way we use it. Thank you. So improved efficiency. So with all these things, if I have no virus done, everything is used. Huge amount has been invested. We know what has been done. Fastly we can make it. We are doing the audit in a large scale. That will increase efficiency. Now what can be in 2 weeks? What used to be take weeks to learn and program using deep experts, it is now easily available to auditors after some simple training and digital upskilling. The result may be increased efficiency and fewer errors, but the benefits are wider reaching personal. This is also result in improving retention of talent and confidence. Talent and confidence. So, what is the main thing is improved efficiency. What kind of efficiency we will improve is, as we say previously, we have been working for hours and hours to complete a work. Now, for what both doing the work and learning something. Now this kind of technology, the softwares which can be taught to any person in a matter of hours, or a course or upskilling training can be given and we can train the auditors to use this technology in the auditing. So what is the result out of this? It has increased the efficiency of the auditors, and main thing is he has reduces errors and increases efficiency, and by the way that is reaching a person, so result in improved retention and talent and confidence. So that the way the efficiency is improved and talent has been grown and cost the talent has grown, confidence of the auditors also grown. So these are the 5 things I being I want to say. So improved quality, we are improving quality, but we are doing the audit in full scale, decreasing human dependence, though people are not required, computer can take all the things, increase transparency, who did what, when did what, authorized changes, everything you can see. Audit trail is easy. Automation using data is being repositories, data is retrieved, data is sampled, and we have that corrected data that is used to do the audit. We reduce the manual error, so it helps to audit opinion and improved efficiency by training the auditors. Why prefer large amount of data is required to learn nowadays? A simple training or upscaling is more than enough to help the auditors to increase his confidence and increase his talents. So these are the main things we need to learn about this. Key features of advantages of audit digitally.